Okay, our task for today, we're going to talk about resin bonded bridges. Okay, using the terminology we have used in our demo, where we talked about different types of resin bonded bridges. So you will put your name, the name of the restoration, the name, include the names of different types of retention, include the names different type of being cantilever or not. So include all of the names we placed. Okay, if you can gather two names together, if for example cast and perforated, it's the same as rushet, put them together. So join whatever you can, join two names together, put them together, no problem. Okay, so place the name. Indications, as usual, I told you that the prosthodontist talks, this is the language of the prosthodontist. Indications, contraindications.
Limitation, longevity.
What is the, by the way, what is the difference between limitation and contraindication? Contraindication, definitely I could not do it. Limitation, I could do it. But this patient, for example, he has this problem. He has, let's say, grade 1 mobility in the tooth. Can I not do a resin bonded bridge? I can. Okay. But this is a limitation. So contraindication, definitely not. It's a definitely no. And this is where failures happen. Okay? These are where failures happen. This is where a good prosthodontic works. Okay? Finding treatment options for contraindications and limitations. And longevity. What other things that a prosthodontist should know? Material and procedure. If I'm going to do a cantilever, for example, what are the extra procedures I do there in the preparation? What extra procedures I do in my selection of teeth, for example. So procedures and material for the same names. So indications, contraindications, limitations, longevity, materials, and procedures. Procedure, I don't want to describe the full procedure. How do you modify this procedure for this type of material, for example? Okay, so the names could be generic names, could be material names, could be whatever name we have included today. As once more, if I told you join names together, you can say the ceramic, one of them is so and so and so from the commercial names. If you can gather names together and they are synonyms, you're okay. But try to include all of the names we included in the classification. Thank you. Any question for the task?
Yeah.
Yes.
النيم بدك الهدول ولا كمان مع
Yes. These names, this is what you get usually in textbooks.
Yeah.
Okay? Bonded, cast perforated, cast etch. Whatever names you can add to them, add. If I'm going to put the cast perforated, what am I going to add to it? Ratchet. If I'm going to take cast etch, Maryland, I'll put the Maryland here. Virginia, I'll put it with the macromechanical. Okay? So different names. Try to add them together if you want. But the idea, if there are other names we talked about. Here we talked about the cantilever types. We talked about the material types. We talked about the different alloys or material. These are other names. You will have different anterior and posterior. You will have different names for them. Okay? So try to include all names that we talked about. Okay? Conventional or cantilever. These are other names.
في الديزاين.
Okay, that's in the preparation demo. Okay, thank you.